Okay, so I just made a short anime texturing course. Disclaimer, this course is meant for intermediate level Blender users as well as sort of beginners. So for those who know their way around nodes, this probably wouldn't be of much benefit. So what's in this short course? It is a 7-episode series where we will learn basic anime textures. The first 2 tutorials will be about making custom nodes and how to easily make them accessible in every blend file. The next 4 tutorials we will make 4 custom nodes, each for a specific shader. Number 1 will be wood, number 2 will be wooden tiles, number 3 will be bricks, and number 4 will be a painterly metal style texture. The last tutorial will be a lesson on making additional nodes that you would apply to the base shader. More specifically, we will make a single node that adds cracks to any shader it's applied to, alongside learning something about drivers. This course will be available on the Golden Spoon tier list on my Patreon. In future, I plan to expand on this course and make tutorials on more complicated shaders, as well as make more custom additional nodes that you apply atop your base textures. But for now, I hope you enjoy this short tutorial series and hope you benefit a bunch from the techniques taught within it. Alright, bye.